In the next episode of Ozak Sehri, Sihan will announce that he intends to marry another woman, shocking the entire family and convincing Aliha that wedding disaster ended their relationship. The announcement will appear cruel, but it will be part of calculated trap. Sihan will have been learned that Kartal network is searching from a woman connected to an old inheritance. By separating news of new marriage, she hoped to be forced hidden enemy to reveal Ye union to be enemy. Them Sadakat will approve too quickly, believing Sihan has finally abandoned Aliha, while Kaya and Naira will suspect the decision is false. The Aliha will hear the news from Yvonne's refuse to show pain. She will say Sihan has right to choose his future. Yet their silence has revealed deeply announcement heard. Dennis will become angry with both parent and refuse to speak Sihan. The supposed bride will be revealed as a lawyer working in Ofak as a romantic partner. She possessive evidence leaking cartel and altered land to record agree to play the role of protection. Sihan plan being to work with someone break into the total hotel room and searches for the marriage contract that does not exist. Aliha unacceptably witnessed the attack and saved the lawyer. The discovered deception rather than falling relieved. She became a furious that Sihan once again made a dangerous plan without trusting her. Sihan argued that telling her would have placed at risk. Aliha answered that excluding her it is not to protection is another way of controlling the story. Their argument will answer to Sihan to confront a flaw he has always justified as a love. He will cancel the public announcement and reveal the trap of Aliha, asking to decide whether continuously together and purpose better plan. They will separate the rumors, but lawyer found to Borhan missing file and intend to give it Aliha. During stage meeting, Kartal passengers appear and captured. The passenger will reveal to Kartal Freer about marriage. But the legal reunion to Alaya forgive assist will Abora acetate because it would expose money moved through the international account. Warner's name will appear in no one of those account placing under suspicion. The episode will end with Alia confronting Warner's. He will explain the account was opened a year ago by her later husband using to Warner's restaurant as a cover. Before he can armed to officer, he will arrive to arrest him. A final crime. Sihan will realize to Kartal has turned to by their trap around and Alia will had decided whether trusting Warners is necessary to protect Sihan.